It's a 5-in-1 foundation. It has a primer, a concealer, a foundation, and it comes with 2 color correctors. It's lightweight, it's oil-free, it's long-lasting, and it has SPF 30, which protects you against the sun. It smoothens out your skin and it has a matte finish. To use this foundation, I would use a makeup blender with a dabbing motion, so you can apply it with a circular dabbing motion onto the skin. I would use the corrector wherever you have pigmentation or discoloration in the face. Be very wise, use it very partially, only on the spots where you need it, and don't spread it out too much. You have to layer it under the foundation, so you use it first. It should even out everything. Like it said, it's 5-in-1. It comes in a very small, handy palette. I think you can always look good with that little palette.